Hey, Crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's Shopping Sunday, and we are headed to the Dollar Tree, and the truck just arrived with new and restocked items we all love. I did find lots of 125 and 150 items, but first, we are starting off in the plus aisle for some sweet finds, so let's dive in. Now, I did find some new storage this week. This time, it's by Jot. Now, this is a multi-compartment container. It has 4 containers, and it comes with 3 slots that you can easily put in and remove, so you can customize the size the way you want to, but you can get up to 4 separate compartments on this, and it's only $3. I also found this as well. So this is a hard-sided pencil case. You can also use this for makeup or anything else you want to use. This one has a zipper all the way around it, and it is also $3 at Dollar Tree. It was just randomly placed on top of boxes, so they were just starting to unpack these. Our favorite container has come back. This is that 10-piece storage case, and this is nice. It's about 14 by 9 by 4, and it has 10 pieces that are interchangeable and removable, and it's still just $5. This was new. So this is a 10-piece dual-sided marker set. Now this does come with 10 different colors in it. Now we've seen the 125 version in the craft section. Now this is in the plus section. It comes in a 10 count, and this is $3 by the Ink brand. Have you guys seen these? These are those Rose Art Crystal Gem creations. These are really neat. So they have a flowering cactus. They have this one that is a delicate rose. And they also had one that was a blooming daisy. Now these are kind of like Lego kits because you kind of put them together, but these are just $5. And I'm sure by now you have all seen these modern threads pet beds. I cannot just say how great of a deal these are, because these beds are $6 a piece. And look at all the different colors and varieties that are available. Now I have seen these sold at Chewy for much more. Now they do have all kinds of different sizes at Chewy. Now this one is the smaller size, but for $6 for your small pet, this is great. Now you don't just have to use them for pets. I actually have one in the back of my vehicle. When I carry breakables or vases or glass, I keep one of these back there to kind of keep it just snuggled into place so it doesn't roll around or crack or break or anything like that. So these have a multi-purpose use, and they're cute at the same time. Now these are only $6 at Dollar Tree in the plus section, and as you can see, you can choose any color that you want on this pet bed. Have you seen this little Stitch plushie? I thought it was super cute. And Stitch was the only character I saw. Now it is marked on the shelf at Dollar Tree for $7, but heads up, I did see it online offered at Target for the same thing for $5. So if they do have it in stock at your Target, get it there instead. Now over in the regular items, the wallpapers, you guys, new wallpapers have shown up. These are the peel and stick. They have the black floral. They have this one that is like neutral. I'm so glad they have a fun neutral. You can get this multicolor with little stars on it. That's really cute. That would be so cute for a kid's bedroom. And they have this green with like a drawing of flowers on it. That's really nice. These are just $1.25. They clearanced out a bunch of them, so they're starting to get more in. And look what's back, you guys, the glass bead kits that are for bracelets. Now, when these came out, one day they sold out, just one day. Look at all the different color kits they have, and these are glass, and they're just $1.25. So I'm telling you, if you want these, you better grab them when you see them, because they will not be there next time. Now these were a fun find. The felt numbers have always been there. It's 100 count, and these were just actually a penny. Now, I've been hearing a lot about the stickers not being in the craft section, or they're hard to find, but make sure you head over to the teaching tree. I noticed they have a bunch of different stickers, and you can use these for crafting as well, not just for educational purposes. So make sure you check it out. Look, they even have the throwback Lisa Frank stickers. Who remembers Lisa Frank? So yes, you can get all the stickers from the teaching tree as well. Over in the hardware section, I found this 2-pack of contact cement, which is a really good deal. You get 2 tubes for $1.50. This is definitely something you can use in your craft room for adhesion, so I definitely picked this up. They also have this 5-pack of microfiber cloths in the hardware section and the cleaning section. They are really soft. You can get these for $1.50, and I love that they have multicolor packs. Now, you know you've seen these. These are those hair catchers for the sink. They used to sell them singly, but now they have a double pack for the same price. So if you want these are $1.50. Grab the double pack instead. Now, I had to swing by the gift section because their gift bags are really, really great. I've noticed the quality has changed, the thickness has changed, and this goes along with their $1.50 price hike, but I am not mad. Look at these confetti style gift bags. I think these are so fun, and they're really thick and sturdy. Make sure you check these out for $1.50. They're cheaper than any other store. Walmart, Target, they're not going to get anywhere near $1.50 for a bag like this. So make sure you check out Dollar Tree. In the cleaning section, this was a new find. Okay, so this is a 3-pack of scrubbers, you guys. So these are all-purpose scrubbers made by the Used by Humans brand. These kind of remind me of Scrub Daddies, and it is a 3-pack name brand. Now, this one was open, so I'm showing you what it looks like. Looks just like the Scrub Daddy. So this is probably like a dupe for $1.50. Now, I did take a look online. They're selling it for $12.95 for the same exact thing. So you better grab this for $1.50 before it's gone. I also saw these ice packs. Now, these are great for activities outdoors, cooler use, emergencies, and these last 24 hours. Now, they are $1.50 at Dollar Tree, but I've never seen them before. But if you have a Dollar General near you, they are $1 there. So if they're not sold out, grab them from Dollar General. Last week, I featured a bunch of the sanitizer cases and charms. Now they have new ones this week. These are the black case. Now this black case comes with a watermelon, and they have one with a flower. And of course, they have a 4-pack of additional charms you can buy. If you want to see the other ones, check out my last video last Sunday. You'll see even more cases and charms, but I think these are just so fun. By the registers, they have this 2-pack wristlet. So you get 2 zippered pouches on a wristlet strap. You can use these for cosmetics, lip balm, loose change, whatever you want, but I'm so glad you get 2 zippered packs. Now these do come in pink, green, and black. I did grab the black one. They come in so handy just to have a little zippered item to put into your handbag or your crossbody bag, just to keep things separate and apart. And my favorite buckets are back. These are the Solo Cup dual lined type of containers. They are back for $1.50. Now over in the health and beauty, look at the sponges. We've seen these before in a neutral color. Now they have fun colors and they have different sizes. Now these are not just for beauty. You can use these in the craft room as well, which is what I use them for. You can also find the beauty blenders in a 5-pack. These value packs, just $1.25, you guys, a great price. They also have this one too, which is a makeup puff. Now, the great thing about this is you get your puff and a case to keep your makeup puff nice and clean. Spa Luxury has come out with some new sprays. This is the hair and body mist. You can get them in 3 different fragrances, your rose, your jasmine, and your vanilla. Now, this is a new one too. The Spa Luxury has Brazilian Orchid. This is a sugar scrub. I don't think I've ever seen a sugar scrub. This is exfoliating, and it just arrived at my Dollar Tree. You can see it's almost gone. The Freeman 2-packs of the masks are back. Now, don't let your Dollar Tree fool you by separating these. They need to be sold together in a 2-pack, and all of the health and beauty is still $1.25 at Dollar Tree. They have some new hand sanitizers by Spa Luxury. You could get the watermelon splash, and you can get this lemon version too, all just $1.25. Now these are fun too. So these are foaming hand washes in green apple, and you get them in bubblegum. I think these would be great for the kids' bathrooms. Yves St. Clair has come out with some new foaming hand washes as well. They have pineapple papaya and jasmine dragon fruit. Now, I thought this was interesting. These are goat milk hand and body creams. You can get one with coconut oil. You can get one with honey. They have one with lavender, and they have one with shea butter. If you guys have tried this, let me know down in the comments below. VO5 has another item. This is the leave-in shine spray, and this one has a gloss look. This is a 5-ounce spray container, just $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So if you're looking for more VO5 items, they have some new ones. Over in the food section, look at these. This is a new brand. This is ramen top or dehydrated vegetables for prepackaged noodles. They never just have enough. So I love that these are available. And online, they're selling them for $2, but you get them for $1.50 at Dollar Tree. Now, I was surprised to see the New York Texas toast at Dollar Tree. So they have the seasoned croutons, and they do have this one here, which is the garlic and butter croutons, you guys. $1.50 at Dollar Tree. You could see at Walmart, they're selling these for $1.88. So grab them at Dollar Tree to save that change. This is new as well. This is the Chef Boyardee Skillet Cheesy Italian shells. I've never seen this before at Dollar Tree. I did see it online. It's selling for $1.79 in grocery stores, but it's only $1.50 at Dollar Tree. Now, with the sprinkle craze going on, this is a handy item. So these are a 4-compartment sprinkle assortment with stars, sugar, confetti, and dots all in one. You don't have to buy 4 different containers, and it's just $1.50. Here's a new brand. This is Calypso Jelly Snacks. So you can get this in Ocean Blue Lemonade or Southern Peach Lemonade. The 4-pack for $1.50. And finally, I had to go by the markdown section. My store had the tostada shells, you guys. I love these for my DIY crunch wraps. 50 cents, and it still has a couple weeks left on the container, which is great. And my Dollar Tree had a ton of the $1 candles hiding in the corner. You guys check those corners, cracks, and crevices for these discounted items in your store. Now, if you missed my last Dollar Tree video featuring even more awesome finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I hope you all enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, I have found several Oasis vanity storage items at Dollar Tree, and I did pick up a few extra for a giveaway. Now, I will be giving away a set of 4 items to 1 lucky winner. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. First, just leave a comment below answering this question. Now, what were your top 3 favorite items in this video? Now, this contest closes on Saturday, June 13th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So be sure to comment before this time. Now, I will announce the winner in next Sunday's video on June 14th. So make sure you tune in to find out if you have been selected. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification when the video goes live, and you won't miss the winner announcement. Now, the last step is to leave a unicorn emoji or the word unicorn in your comment along with your answer to today's question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I'm looking forward to seeing you all next Sunday, because you might just be the lucky winner. Now listen, I hope that you find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget, it is free to subscribe, and you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live or drop a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.